Sometimes people don't know what's behind the screen. Small creators are here editing their videos with cracked screens and low subscribers. Not like thousands or millions, just hundreds. Or like one or two digits. And people are out there just hating on the small creators. And I'm also a small creator myself. So guys, why don't you even realize what you're doing to the small creators? Maybe they will commit suicide if you do that. They will sometimes they do. Like that guy on his birthday, he killed himself in the forest. I don't know when his body was found, but rest in peace, boy. And why do you guys never realize what you're doing? You're literally hurting the small creators' hearts and like reporting them out of nowhere, even though they didn't do anything inappropriate. They don't do heat anyways, but they're also small creators. They deserve love, not hate. They don't deserve the hate. It's cause some people hate on my videos. Guys, don't judge a book by its cover.